Hello. Today we are going to solve Leetcode 424 longest repeating character replacement. Basically, we've been given a string. For example, we've been given AB and AB. And then we've been given K, which I will refer to as slots, right? So like 2. So how many slots in this string can you fill to make this a repeating character, to find the longest repeating character? In this case, we can, so let me write this, AB, AB. Just by looking at it, we can see that we can make this A and make this B A, or we can make this B, make this B. In any case, we are going to get 4 after we fill those slots, right? But also from looking at it, we can see that we have AB and AB, right? The length of any zero indexed array we can get by right minus left plus 1, right? So the length is 4, right? And we've been given 2 slots to fill, right? And the maximum, right, the most frequently occurring, the frequently occurring letters occur twice. A occurs 2, B occurs 2, right? So out of this 4, if you take 2 out, you'll be left with 2 slots to fill, and that is equal to K, right? So we can this one perfectly fits in here to give us the longest repeating character, right? Because you have a length of 4, you have frequently occurring character that appears twice, and you have 2 slots to fill, and that will make it the longest repeating character, right? So basically, so long as the length minus the maximum frequently occurring is less than K, you can fill those slots and find the most frequently occurring number, right? The other example we have here is we have A, B, A, B, B, A, right? We can see that from here, right, you have A, B, so this is a length of 4. We have only been given 1 slot to fill. The maximum frequently occurring character is A, and it's occurring 3 times. So 4 minus 3 gives you 1 slot to fill. So if we fill this slot with A, we get an increasing number of 4, right? And then we can also come, and at some point we can get to this point. At some point we can also get here, right, where the maximum occurring again will be 3, but it's B this time. But the length is still 4 and it's 1. So if we replace this A with B, we get a length of 4. Now looking at this is a first window and this is a second window. So it looks more like a sliding window algorithm. So sliding window is what we are going to use, right? So we are going to have a left pointer and then a right pointer. The right is going to move as we satisfy these scenarios, right? The length and then the maximum frequently occurring numbers. We find if the available slots can be filled by the slot we have been given, right? Basically, that is how we are going to solve this question. So let's go and see how we can implement the solution. So first, let's create a dictionary that we are going to use to store the frequency or the occurrence of each character. The left pointer is going to be at 0, and then the maximum frequency we are going to set at 0. So for let's call this right pointer, and then character in enumerates S, right? Let's get the count of the character we are looking for. So cache character will be equal to cache get character 0 plus 1. So gets lets you set it up. If it doesn't exist, set it and set a count of 0, and then we add 1 to it if it's new, right? Else, if it exists, we just add 1 to it. We increment it by 1. And now what we are going to do is get maximum frequency. So that is going to be the max of max frequency. This is a frequently occurring character, or the character we just got, right? The count of the character we just got. Now, while the length, which is right minus left plus 1 as described below, minus the frequently occurring number character, if that is greater than the number of slots we need to fill, then we need to take one character out, right? And that's going to be the first character, because we want a continuously repeating character. So we're going to take the first one out, which is going to be cache as the left pointer minus 1, and then we are going to shift the left pointer forward by 1, right? After that, we return too much space. We return the maximum of either the length, which is right minus left plus 1, or the max, the frequently occurring character, right? This is how you set it up. Hopefully I've not missed anything. All right, this is how you get it done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.